The accelerated solvent extraction technique is one of the fastest, safest, and easiest techniques available for extracting analytes out of solid and semi-solid samples. Traditional methods such as Soxhlet and sonication are time-consuming, difficult, labor-intensive, and require large amounts of solvent, which can be both expensive and painstaking. The accelerated solvent extraction technique is faster, easier to use, automated, and requires minimal solvent. Save time and money, increase your productivity, improve reproducibility, and significantly minimize analysts' exposure to solvents. The concept is simple. The accelerated solvent extraction technique uses elevated temperature to increase the extraction efficiency of analytes of interest from their matrix. Elevated pressure is used to keep the solvents in a liquid state as the temperature is increased above their boiling points. By using increased temperature and pressure, solubility of analytes is increased, viscosity of solvent is reduced, and hence, analyte diffusion into the solvent is improved, thereby improving extraction efficiency and reducing extraction time. Here are the steps. Add the prepared sample to the extraction cell and place the cell into the carousel. Select a pre-programmed extraction method and the system will automatically begin the extraction. The system fills the cell with solvent, heats, and pressurizes, keeping a steady 1500 psi and desired temperature. Next, the sample can be allowed to sit exposed to solvent for a predetermined amount of time. This is referred to as a static extraction. Once the static extraction is complete, the system pumps fresh solvent through the cell and pathway and purges with nitrogen. While other methods take up to 8 hours and use hundreds of milliliters or more of solvent, the accelerated solvent extraction technique takes 15 to 30 minutes and requires minimal solvent, typically 10 to 30 milliliters, depending on the application. Because it is automated, reproducibility is improved over traditional methods. The accelerated solvent extraction technique has massive benefits and practical uses. It's accepted in U.S. EPA Method 3454A for extracting pesticides and herbicides, PAHs, and semi-volatile compounds, PCBs, dioxins and furans, TPH, and explosive compounds. Also in CLP OLM 04.2A for semi-volatiles and pesticides. European and Chinese governments have approved the accelerated solvent extraction technique to determine contaminants in food, like pesticide residues, lipids after acid hydrolysis, fat and additive contents, and flavor profiles. The accelerated solvent extraction technique can also be used to verify supplements like St. John's wort, echinacea, and ginkgo biloba meet industry guidelines. When you consider the amazing time savings, labor reduction benefits, as well as improved safety and accuracy, it's no wonder the Thermo Scientific ACE 150-350 accelerated solvent extraction system is revolutionizing solvent extraction and sample prep.